Good evening, Miss Cory. Of course, we're here to remember Mr. Ricky Davao. Can you take us back saan po niyo siya unang nakilala and kailan?
Ay, unang-una nakita ko si Ricky sa mga parties. Palagi ko siyang nakikita sa mga iba't ibang events. At every time I see him, he was always so approachable, humble, friendly. And then, there was a time na mga ilang taon na yon, siguro the last 10 years, mahilig siyang kumanta.
Yes, sabi din ni Sir Jaime.
Naging singer siya.
Yes.
Nagulat kaming lahat kasi we always knew him as an actor and director. And then, biglang kinuha niya yung microphone sa isang wedding at kumanta siya. Nagulat kaming lahat. We were all praises for his newfound talent. Kaya, every time we see Ricky, we always ask for a song. And that is why yung memory namin ni Ricky ay masaya at mapagmahal si Ricky, no? So that every time he sings a song, malambing siya. And so he always leaves us feeling good and happy and always thinking about being together. So in short, palaging happy times with Ricky. At paminsan-minsan pumunta kami sa kanyang premiere and his concerts. So we're going to miss him. Kasi po, when you think about Ricky, you see his smiling face and his shining eyes, glittering eyes, and we're going to miss a good man like him. Rest in peace, my friend.
Last question na lang po, kailan niyo po siya huling nakausap and ano po yung isang adjective na naisip niyo pag narinig niyo yung name na Ricky Davao?
I think the last time I saw him was in a
No
dinner
problem.
party.
Yes, you can do it.
And at that time, medyo he was reflective. Medyo subdued siya. At parang malalim ang kanyang iniisip. Pero nandun pa rin ang kanyang ngiti. So I thought maybe marami siyang maybe challenges o maraming trabaho o pagod sa trabaho. But I caught him once or twice with in deep thought. So I respected that. And maybe now I understand why. Maybe already at that time, alam na niya na meron siyang karamdaman. Pero ayaw niya ipasabi sa kanyang mga kaibigan. Kaya ang hinanakit po namin ay hindi kami nakapag-goodbye sa kanya. At maayos.